let's talk about the Franklin Square station of the PATCO High-Speed Line. Franklin Square Station, named for the Franklin Square Park at street level above it, sits in Philadelphia between the Ben Franklin Bridge and 8th and Market Station. It was first opened in 1936 and closed in 1939 due to low ridership. It has since reopened 3 times in 1943, 1952, and 1976. The longest it has stayed open was roughly 3 years. It's slated to open again in spring of 2024, so we'll know by 2028 if the 5th time's the charm. The park itself is charming with a carousel, food, mini golf, and its signature fountain. It also hosts the Electrical Spectacle Holiday Light Show, as well as the Chinese Lantern Festival, which was being set up when I visited in June of 2023. Aside from the park and these great annual events, the station's location provides increased access to parts of Chinatown and Old City, several museums, the Constitution Center, and the Electric Factory Franklin Music Hall. In addition, it provides access to several area government, medical, and educational buildings. It's close to the SEPTA Broad Ridge Spur Chinatown Station and multiple bus routes. At present, the platform is walled off from the tracks while construction is ongoing. From the exterior, project fencing is in place while work steadily continues. PATCO has a website, thefranklinsquarestation.com, which provides in great detail a summary of the project timeline and photos of its progress by month. Renderings of the future head house and station appear fitting for the space while maintaining a modest, efficient design. Perhaps it could be used as a model for future transit projects. Franklin Square will be the first infill station opened on the PATCO since Woodcrest in 1980. While the city has commissioned studies to expand the PATCO, possibly all the way to 40th Street, let's hope that it won't be another 40 years before we see future additions to the line. So keep an eye out for the opening of Franklin Square next spring.